you got your boy Quana Don coming at y'all with another sneaker forensic video. What is going on with the YouTube family, man? Yes, I know I've been very inconsistent. Trying to do better with that. Definitely trying to do better with that. Make more time for my YouTube and doing some videos. I got a lot coming. A lot of shoes I got to do reviews on. As you may see, there's a lot of shoes I haven't done reviews on yet. So if y'all want to just hear my honest opinion, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell to stay up to date with your boy. You feel me? Man, so anyway, the first shoe that I will be reviewing, it is going to be a great shoe, actually. It is going to be the Air Jordan 12 Retro. So it's the Air Jordan 12 Retro royalties. Trust me, there's a lot of controversy with this shoe. Alright. So we got our white, metallic, gold, black. And it's definitely my size, a size 10. Size 10, I don't know if y'all could get that, but it's a size 10. So it's just the basic box, nothing special. They gave us the same box they've been giving us for the past year or a couple years, if I ain't mistaken, that the Jordan 12's been coming in. So yes, I know there's a bunch of videos circulating on this shoe. I'm pretty late on showing y'all this shoe. This is just my honest opinion. So this is my humble opinion and honest opinion as far as it goes with this shoe. I know there's a lot of controversy in this, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull the shoe out. So you do have the Jordan 12 royalties, man. Definitely a clean shoe, not gonna lie. It kind of gives you that OG classic look, kind of. It does remind you of those taxis, man. However, you do got your hits of gold, which taxis do have the gold on the eyelets as well. But this right here, this little plate right here, it isn't gold on the taxi. It's actually black, as well as in the back. So that is another big difference. Not too much of a difference. If you don't have the taxis, this would definitely be an option. You know what I'm saying? If you don't have the taxis, this would definitely be an option. I say you go grab them while the prices are low, because I feel like eventually the prices on these will go up, just because of the fact that they're so close to the Jordan 12 taxis. So it did come with some black laces, black standard laces. So they did give you also a package with white laces as well, which was cool as well, because it gives you that option. And you know, we do love options. I do love when I'm able to spend my money with Jordan brand. They actually give me, you know, other things that come with the sneaker as well, or give us options. You know what I'm saying? That's dope. So I don't have the actual taxis. I've never had the taxis. So this is like, to me, for me, this is my second option, because I definitely wanted those taxis. However, man, on GOAT, the prices are crazy on GOAT, man. Not only that, I mean, there's not a lot of, you know, DS pairs that I would probably want. There's a lot of issues with a lot of those pairs on GOAT. So I'm not even going to play, you know, test the waters with that. However, man, this still is a great option, man. I don't think I could say that enough, man. From what I'm hearing, you know, because I watch videos as well, just to see everybody else's opinion, they say that the material is pretty close when it comes to that, is it the 2013 or 2014 pair of the Taxi 12s, which was around the last time we saw those release. So definitely want to get these. If you don't have those taxis, you want to grab these. Another thing that I did like about this shoe is the insole. You got that quilt-like material. I'm not gonna lie, it's not as soft as you would think, but I definitely like something different on the inside of the shoe. It definitely gives me those Alma Manir vibes as far as, you know, the insole, the inside of the shoe. Actually, the sock line. I'm sorry. Another thing that is different on this is the Taxi 12's, the 2-3 going down that tongue is black. This would be a gold color. The stitching on here is gold. So that's another touch a difference maker. Oh yeah, as well as on the bottom, it doesn't have that checkered yellow and black carbon fiber look on the bottom. It is just a black and gray look. So that's another thing that is different, as well as the Jordan man here, the Jordan logo. The Jordan logo on those taxis is red, and this will be a white. Like I say, not major differences, especially if you love the taxis and you can't get a hold of the taxis. Not too much of a difference, man. You still get some wears out of these. It still would be a great option if you want to get that taxi look. So here, as you can see, while my lace packaging was open, I did go ahead and relace these just to give you a look of how it looks with those laces. And as I said, it looks just like the taxis. I mean, aside from the history with those OG Taxi 12s, I would say this is a better look for me. Not gonna lie. I do like those hits of gold. It really does add some fire, or add some, it adds some flavor to the shoe. Definitely a dope touch. Like they say, royalty adds definitely some flavor to it. A lot of people saying DMP 12s, a lot of people saying Uber 12s. I mean, you know, to each his own. You know, I feel like there's a lot of OG heads that are big OG fans of the sneaker. You know what I'm saying? And there's a lot of accolades that may pay homage to the Taxi 12 as well. And this here is just, it has no meaning to it. You know what I'm saying? It's just a shoe that they released that they're pretty much teasing us with, because I don't think they want to give us the Taxi 12 just yet. I don't think they're dropping the Taxi 12 for quite some time. So they, you know, just to hold us over, I guess that's what they gave us. But, you know, I'm not going to complain, man. I'm definitely going to rock them. You know what I'm saying? Definitely going to toss those white laces in it and rock it, because I never got the chance to have a pair of Taxi 12s. Would I rather have had the Taxis? Most definitely. Most definitely. Do I think these look better? Absolutely. But that's the difference makers. I think these are a better, I think these are a more upgraded, better look when it comes to those taxis. And then the taxis, I feel like they have a lot more meaning to them, because it was an OG sneaker that Michael Jordan balled in. You know what I'm saying? So that's definitely dope. But I don't got too much left to say about the sneaker, man. If you have not yet picked these up, go ahead and grab them. If you like them, you know what I'm saying? Don't take my word for them. Check them out for yourselves. Try to see them in hand. That's if you wind up trying to buy them from somebody. Make sure they real as well. But like I said, man, don't take my word for it. Check them out for yourself. They definitely dope. I love them, man. I love them. I can't say enough about this shoe. But anyway, man, that's all I'm gonna say about this shoe, man. Like I say, subscribe to the channel. It don't cost a thing. And as I always say, it don't cost a thing to show love, sneaker family. I love y'all from the top of my heart to the bottom of my souls. And we up out of here, man. I gotta get ready to go to work in the morning. Good night.